We're going to be doing something that I have never ever done before. These are the Revolution brow tints. Semi-permanent brows at home for up to 3 days. I am terrified. I've never ever done this before. I've got 2 shades, so I've got dark brown and taupe. Why do I always drop something? Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, so I'm just going to do a couple of swatches on my hand. This is the taupey, the one that I can never pronounce. That's very dark. I know I have dark hair. Come on. Oh, they're kind of the same. It looks a little bit darker. Okay. I'm just so scared. I'm just so scared. Apply to clean brows using the applicator or an angled eyebrow brush. Leave on to develop for up to 2 hours for semi-permanent brow tint that lasts for up to 3 days. I'm skeptical. I'm going to go with the taupe, whatever. I am going to use this little angled brush. It's going to be a little bit safer. Oh, I'm terrified. Okay, here goes nothing. Yeah. Oh, okay. It's going okay. Gonna need a little more. That's a lot. I think for just the main part of my eyebrow, I'm just gonna go in with the actual applicator because it's a lot bigger. Do I do a little block? What do I do? Do I just try and get the hairs? The applicator is actually quite nice. I'm just gonna use a brush just to extend my tail down slightly though. Let's just go full bore at the end. Just do it. Oh, it looks really dark. I know it won't be that colour when we peel it off in a couple of hours, but I'm still a bit scared. Oh my god, I've not done them even. This could be a mistake. Big mistake. They might end up even in the end, guys. It might be okay. Let's not panic yet. Oh shit, I'm not really sure. Okay, they're not even. I won't lie. Oh, cock. That's a bit better. A bit patchy. I hope this turns out okay. We've got to wait a lovely 2 hours. 2 hours and counting. I'm so nervous. For the meantime, I just thought I'd treat myself to a few things. Keep the hair away from my eyebrows. I don't want to ruin my hard work. And I've heard a lot of hype about the vitamin E range. This was like 99p. Gentle oatmeal exfoliator and the all over body cream, 99p. There's been so much hype about the vitamin E hydrating mist and the nourishing under eye cream. Pretty self-explanatory. On to some more fun stuff, I suppose. So I've never tried any of the Conceal and Define range. So I did get the foundation. I was a bit confused to find that it was like a massive concealer stick. Smells a bit iffy. I've heard its coverage is just to die for, so I got the concealer as well. I also got Pore Blur Primer. Thought it might be quite interesting, so yep. I got a couple of these matte base powders. I got in P4 and P0. Thought these might be quite handy. I'm going to give my makeup bag a bit of a clean out, so I thought fresh powder, lovely stuff. Ultra Pro HD Powder Contour in Fair. What else did I buy? Oh yeah, the I Heart Revolution Vanilla and Coconut Makeup Fixing Spray, which smells so good. I haven't actually used it yet. Delish. I think this smells like Alien a little. Thierry Mugler. And it's like $2.99. And I just picked up some falsies as well. These are the Pinky Goat Awa lashes. They are beautiful. Look at them. These are probably my like all-time favourite lashes. They are £10. They don't come with a glue. Soft and luxurious with extra length. So I'm going to go off camera while my eyebrows continue to tint and we'll do the the peeling. I'm really scared. Just don't want to have black eyebrows. What if I can't get them off? What happens if this doesn't come off? See you guys in a bit. The 2 hours is up. We are ready to peel these off. I am so scared. They're feeling really dry. I don't know whether it's gonna pull my actual eyebrow hairs out. I'm really not looking forward to this. Oh my God, I haven't turned my light on. That's a bit better. Okay, here we go. Oh, 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 oh. Pesky little bits. That's okay. Do the other one. Oh no. God's sake. Oh, such a dweeb. Where I thought that I was going to be tinting the hair, I've tinted in like a stupid hair shape. I mean, they are okay. Yeah. They don't come off. They are there to stay. I'm quite impressed. While we're here, let's talk about my lashes. I'll link them down below. The page is called D&D Lashes. So good. She would love it if you guys would just go and show her just a teeny weeny little bit of support. Look at them. So yeah. See you later.